Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn some phrasal verbs and their meanings, with examples. First one is, account for. Means, to explain the reason. Some examples are, the budget should account for unexpected costs. The police were able to account for all stolen items. The bad weather accounts for the delay in the flight. Drop off. Means, to decrease, to deliver something. Some examples are, I dropped off while watching the movie. Sales dropped off after the holiday season. Can you drop me off at the train station? Back up. Means, to support or defend someone. Some examples are, she backed up her friend during the argument. I lost my photos because I forgot to back them up. The car had to back up to let the truck pass. Break down. Means, to stop working. Some examples are, the machine often breaks down. She broke down in tears when she heard the bad news. Let's break down the project into smaller tasks. Call around. Means, to contact multiple people. Some examples are, I called around to find a good pizza place. We called around to find a hotel with empty rooms. Mom called around to see which doctor was available. Call off. Means, to cancel a planned event. Some examples are, we called off the party. She called off the wedding at the last minute. They called off the match due to bad weather. Calm down. Means, to relax after an energetic or irritated state. Some examples are, take a deep breath and calm down. The baby calmed down after hearing a lullaby. She told him to calm down after the argument. Check out. Means, to examine a person or thing. Some examples are, let's check out that new cafe in town. She went to the hotel front desk to check out. Check out this cool video I found. Come around. Means, to change one's opinion. Some examples are, she finally came around and agreed to join the trip. He comes around every Sunday to see us. The patient slowly came around after the surgery. Count on. Means, to rely on someone or something. Some examples are, you can count on me to help you. She counts on her brother for support. I count on my alarm to wake me up. Dive into. Means, to eagerly begin an activity. Some examples are, I'll dive into that new TV show later tonight. They dove into the pool to cool off. He loves to dive into new adventures. Dress up. Means, to put on nice clothes. Some examples are, I like to dress up for parties. The kids love to dress up as superheroes. We have to dress up for the wedding. End up. Means, to eventually reach some conclusion. Some examples are, we got lost and ended up at the wrong house. They missed their train and ended up taking a taxi. After a long walk, we ended up at a beautiful park. Fall apart means to break into pieces. Some examples are, my old shoes are starting to fall apart. She fell apart after hearing the bad news. Their friendship fell apart after a big fight. Find out means to discover or learn something. Some examples are, I need to find out what time the movie starts. He called his friend to find out the homework. I found out that my exam is next Monday.